All right, man, check it out. I'm going to let you know the secret that these family law attorneys use to steal your kids. It's really easy. In California, anyway, it goes like this: false accusation, then they get a domestic violence restraining order, then they do a request for order, FL 300, requesting full custody based on California Family Code 3044. At that point, the court must grant this. The court must give the other parent full custody based on Family Code 3044. You have the chance to rebut it, okay? You can. But you have to hire an attorney for that. You're going to be paying tens of thousands of dollars. And, chances are the court's already biased against you, so you're not going to win anyway. That's how they got you. It's remarkably simple, and don't let them fool you. These family attorneys aren't doing anything really any more sophisticated than that. It just starts with a false accusation. That's all they need to get the DVRO. The DVRO counts as an abuse finding, and that triggers California Family Code 3044. All the other party has to do is request custody, and the court has to give it to them. Yes, you have the opportunity to rebut that presumption, but again, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. My advice to you is don't get in that situation in the first place, okay? If you're having conflict with your spouse, please, first of all, if anyone's even remotely talking about calling the police or there's any accusatory language, you need to go and stay at your friend's house for a little while, stay at the hotel, do whatever it is you need to do, because you're enemies with that person right now and you're in the danger zone. So you got to go, let it cool off. And please seek the services of someone in your religious community, okay? Preferably something that is not a government agency, whatever you're a part of. I guarantee you it's 1,000 times better than the courts. So seek mediation in your community to reconcile your relationship. If you can't do that, then seek mediation to amicably settle the dissolution of your marriage, okay, the divorce, in a friendly way, in a fair way, working out how that settlement's going to go. But don't give that jurisdiction to the courts. Don't do it. Keep in mind, mediation before all of this happens is different than mediation afterwards. So mediation shouldn't be the last resort, because once the court has its hook in you, you really lose all of your negotiating power in mediation. So mediation after they get this hook in you is almost meaningless, and those mediators all work in the same industry. Again, they make their money by referring business back and forth. So this mediator, they know who's going to refer more business to them in the future. Who do you think is going to refer more business to them? The unrepresented father or the female family law attorney who's helping the woman destroy this man with false accusations? Who do you think is going to refer more business to that mediator in the future? And that would give you some idea of which party that mediator might shade their reports to benefit if they were corrupted. So even when I tell you to seek mediation, I'm not telling you to Google mediation and then just pick one of these mediators. I recommend you do not. I recommend you seek mediation, again, within your own community, your own family, or in your religious community, where someone who understands the values that you both claim to have can mediate a solution based on those values. That's what I recommend. Those people don't work for the courts. They don't make any money referring anything back and forth. So that's what I recommend. But under no circumstances should you give those issues to the court. Don't put those issues under the jurisdiction of the California family courts. If you love God, if you love your family, if you love freedom, don't do it. I mean, honestly, the easiest way to avoid all this is just stay the hell out of California. You can't do that. You're already here. You're already trapped. Don't engage any conflict. You have to record everything. You have to. And don't take it to the family courts. Seek the counsel within your religious community, whatever that is, whether it's a church, mosque, synagogue, temple, whatever it is. I do not care. The point is that you submitted to that social contract by your own consent. It doesn't have executive, violent power over you. So that's the one to go with, not the courts.